This is the interfacing of multiple ultrasonic sensors, with each one having its own unique characteristic. The first one is 15 centimeter, the second one is 30 centimeter, and the third one is 45 centimeter. They're in the multiples of 15. In the code, you can see that it's connected to a serial. So if you go to a serial monitor, we will see their distance. It's not even connected right now. Okay, let's go to monitor, and now look at that. The closer the object, and as I said, this is 30 centimeter, this is 20, and this is 15. Each one sets the distance that the object is at. The code itself isn't really that bad. So let's look at how an ultrasonic sensor really works. So as you can see in this image, that there's an ultrasonic sensor. You'll see that there's a trig pin and there's an echo pin. And in this, you will also see that there's a trig pin on the left and there's an echo pin in the right. Now, what happens is the trig pin sends the signal, whereas the echo pin receives that signal that the trig pin sent out. Now, this is how it works. The trig pin sends the signal, and if the object hits that wave, it will reflect back like that. And hence, the echo pin receives it, which is right here, the orange wire, and it's connected to a pin on the Arduino, which is a digital pin. Hence, an ultrasonic sensor works. This is the same way that bats receive data. Well, they don't really receive data, but they send out signals to catch the prey. But to catch the prey, what bats do is that they send the signal of ultrasonic, and when that signal reflects back, they catch that signal, and they calculate the distance between them and the object, which is a prey they have to catch. And this is an Arduino project of multiple interfacing ultrasonic sensors. Hope you enjoyed it. Mic drop.